Hi, my name is Daniel Gonzalez, and I'm going to walk you through how to use Genome Pro 3.0 as a user. So, the first thing you're probably going to want to do, if you want to use Genome Pro, is navigate to the Genome Pro website, right here. It takes you automatically to the index page. Once you're here at the Genome Pro website, if this is your first time using it, you're probably going to want to register an account, because if you don't register an account, you can't really do anything on the site. So, coming here to the register page, we're going to select the username, select an email. This is just a throwaway email I have, a throwaway password, and our name is going to be Daniel Gonzalez. Let's maybe make this not dummy then. We'll make this cool guy 49. Yeah, why not? And then register. So, we got an error here registering because our password must consist of at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, a number, and between 7 and 15 characters, which mine did not. So, cool guy 01, whatever. And I'm just going to make it password 1. That should work this time. And I believe yes. Congratulations. So those are the steps for registering an account. But I'm not going to actually go ahead and confirm my email. I'm just going to sign into my account now. So this is my account. And boom, successfully logged in. So once you have your account and you verify that your email address is genuine by going to your email and clicking the link that Genome Pro sends you, you'll be able to log in just like I have, and now you can explore the Genome Pro website. This will be the new index page, updated since you're logged in, and we can navigate to the About page, which just has a little bit of information about the types of things that Genome Pro does and the types of information it processes. The Contact page, if you want to submit a contact form. And the Profile page, this one's pretty important. So the Profile page contains all of the information about you. This will hopefully in the future be expanded as social media functionality gets added into Genome Pro in successive versions. And very importantly, your job history and your pending jobs tables. Right now, pending jobs is empty because I don't have any pending jobs, but my jobs history table is available right here for browsing. So, the jobs history table is available right here for browsing. Now, moving on to the most important page in all of Genome Pro, the tools page. This is where all of the magic of analyzing data and submitting jobs and receiving results happens. So here we have all of our tools. We have 7 tools right now, not including the upload a file tool, which is down here and it's separate for various functionality reasons I won't get into. But these are the 7 tools right here. You can select one or more tools to use simultaneously, and 2 of these tools require extra arguments, the probes tool and the FASTA, the extract FASTA FastQ tool. So when you select these tools, special arguments modules pop up for you to enter your arguments. For the rest of them, you don't need special arguments, you just need to select the right file. And knowledge of which file to select is down here in the tools descriptions, the tools helper, and the FAQ. The FAQ is not really all that big right now, but hopefully as more users start using Genome Pro, more questions will be more frequently asked, and that'll be populated. But basically, submitting a job just involves selecting one or more tools, selecting one or more files, entering arguments, and then hitting submit. So this right now that I've entered is obviously not a valid job. So I'll just submit a valid job for you, right here. Information about your job submission, it was a success, it's job number 370, blah, 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 and an email will be sent to you when the job is finished. So moving on now to the charts page, you're probably going to see an email come in for me, and oh, right there. The following job has finished processing. So yeah, Genome Pro is pretty amazing. So this is the charts page wherein you can select any maps that you've made. So making a map is one of the tools in Genome Pro. So right now I've selected one of the maps that I've made out of one of the data files that I've uploaded. And now I can select various things to do with that map, like for example, display certain subsequences. Or, let's see what this does. I'm actually not too sure what... So it's not very clear what these three do, but this down here is for displaying certain subsequences. So you can, right here on the chart, count the amount of times that a certain subsequence appears. For example, the subsequence AAAAF appears roughly 24 times in the map file that I've generated from the genome that I uploaded. And similarly, AAAAA appears 19 times. So this is just a really simple way of visualizing the genomic data that you're uploading. And you can do this with multiple files. Right now I only have one map file. But if you had more than one map file, you would be able to compare them and it would look really cool. So moving on now to the FTP server. The FTP server is where all of your results are located and where all of the files you've uploaded are located. So this is the only file I've uploaded right now. It's a pretty small genome template file. And the results are where all of the results for all of my jobs are stored. So this is a resultant file for generating this map. So this is the map file that we looked at earlier, and this is the resultant file from the job being submitted. And once you're satisfied with that, you can log out, and that's all there is to do in Genome Pro. Thank you very much.